Border tensions flare between Assam and Meghalaya. A violent incident erupted today at approximately 11:30 a.m. in Tahpat Village, located on the border of Assam and Meghalaya. Thousands of Khasi-Pnar community members from Meghalaya allegedly forcefully entered Karbi Anglong territory, sparking clashes with the local Karbi community. The tensions began when the Khasi-Pnar group claimed the land where a nursery plant belonging to Lal Sondon had been planted as part of Meghalaya's Tahpat Village jurisdiction. The Karbi community, however, asserts that the land is within their territory. In the ensuing confrontation, the Khasi-Pnar group destroyed the nursery plants, burned down hut bills for laborers, and damaged properties, including generators and utensils. One person, Ondro Terang, aged 25, from Tahpat Village, injured during the incident. Law enforcement teams from the district headquarters in Hamran quickly responded to the situation and order has been restored. This incident highlights the ongoing border disputes between Assam and Meghalaya, which have led to tensions and violence in the past. Efforts to resolve the issue peacefully and crucial to prevent further escalation.
Police, go back! Go back! Go back! Go back! Go back!